Ever bought something that turned out to be faulty, not as described, or just plain disappointing? And when you tried to get a refund or a replacement, you were met with a brick wall of terrible customer service. It's incredibly frustrating. You know you have rights under the Consumer Rights Act 2015. But dealing with big companies can feel like a David versus Goliath battle. You might think your only options are to give up or hire an expensive solicitor. But what if I told you there's a powerful, affordable middle ground? Today, we're diving into how a paralegal can be your secret weapon in winning consumer rights claims. So, what exactly is a paralegal? Think of them as legal professionals who are unqualified as solicitors but have significant legal training and experience. They can't represent you in all courts, but for many consumer disputes, especially those heading to the small claims court, they are perfectly equipped to help. They can draft legal letters, prepare your case, and guide you through the entire process, all for a fraction of the cost of a solicitor. This makes legal support accessible when you thought it was out of reach. Let's break down how a paralegal can specifically help you. It all starts with that first step, the letter before action. This isn't just a complaint letter. It's a formal legal document that tells the company you're serious. A paralegal knows exactly what to include, citing the specific sections of the Consumer Rights Act that have been breached, clearly stating what you want, and setting a firm deadline for a response. A professionally drafted letter from a paralegal often gets a much faster and more serious response than a standard customer complaint. It shows the business you mean business and you understand your legal standing. Now, let's say the company ignores your letter or refuses to cooperate. What's next? This is where many people get stuck. Your paralegal can help you navigate the next stage, which is often mediation or alternative dispute resolution. They can prepare your arguments and evidence, helping you present a clear, compelling case to a neutral third party. But if that doesn't work, the next step is the small claims court. This might sound intimidating, but it's designed to be used by individuals without needing a solicitor. The current limit for small claims in England and Wales is £10,000, which covers most consumer goods like cars, holidays, or faulty home appliances. Preparing for small claims court is where a paralegal truly shines. They'll help you gather and organize all your evidence, receipts, emails, photos, expert reports, everything. They'll help you fill out the court forms correctly, which can be tricky, and draft your witness statement. This is your story, your version of events, put into a formal document that the judge will read. Having a paralegal draft this ensures it's clear, concise, and hits all the key legal points. They can't speak for you in the hearing itself, but they'll prepare you so well that you'll feel confident representing yourself. They'll coach you on what to expect, what the judge will want to know, and how to present your case effectively. Let's talk about a real-world example. Imagine you bought a second-hand car for £8,000. The dealer said it was in perfect condition, but a week later, the engine fails. The garage wants £4,000 to fix it, and the dealer is refusing to help, saying it's sold as seen. This is a classic consumer rights issue. A paralegal would first send a strong letter before action, quoting the Consumer Rights Act, that goods must be of satisfactory quality and fit for purpose. If the dealer still refuses to pay for the repairs, the paralegal would help you gather evidence, maybe an independent mechanic's report, and then guide you step by step through filing a small claims case. They would prepare all the paperwork, so when you walk into that courtroom, you have a professional, well-argued case ready to go. The chances of you recovering that £4,000 are suddenly much, much higher. So, how do you find a good paralegal? A great place to start is the National Association of Licensed Paralegals, or NALP. They have a register of qualified and regulated members. You can also look for paralegals, who are members of the Institute of Paralegals. These professional bodies ensure their members meet certain standards of training and ethics. The registered paralegal at Impel Legal is Peter Yek. Hey, he's a nice guy too. When you contact them, be clear about your situation. Don't hide any detail. They will usually offer an initial consultation, sometimes for a fixed fee, to assess your case and explain how they can help and what the costs will be. Always ask for a clear breakdown of their fees. Many work on a fixed fee basis for specific tasks, like drafting a letter or preparing court documents, which makes budgeting much easier than an open-ended hourly rate. Let's address the elephant in the room, the cost. While not free, using a paralegal is significantly more affordable than a solicitor. A solicitor might charge hundreds of pounds per hour. A paralegal's rates are typically much lower. A paralegal could potentially help you recover thousands for a fraction of that. Think of it as an investment in justice. When you're facing a loss of hundreds or thousands of pounds, paying a fraction of that to a professional to help you get it back is a very smart move. It levels the playing field against companies with large legal departments. It's also important to understand the limits. As I mentioned, a paralegal generally cannot represent you in court in the same way a solicitor can. This is known as having rights of audience. For the small claims track, this is less of an issue because it's designed for you to represent yourself. The judge is used to dealing with ordinary people, not just lawyers. The paralegal's job is to do all the expert preparation behind the scenes, so you can present the best possible case yourself. They are your legal coach, your strategist, and your paperwork expert, all rolled into one. So, to recap, when you're locked in a dispute over faulty goods or poor service, don't feel powerless. The Consumer Rights Act is on your side, and a paralegal can help you use it effectively. They can draft powerful legal letters, guide you through court procedures, and prepare a professional case file, all at an affordable cost. They are the key to unlocking your consumer rights without breaking the bank. Don't let big companies walk all over you. Empower yourself with the right professional support. Next time you find yourself in a consumer nightmare, remember this video. Get a consultation and take that first step towards getting what you're legally entitled to. You'll be amazed at the difference professional help can make. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on navigating your legal rights. See you in the next video.